Cheese and onion triangles. Before you start, don't forget to preheat the oven and grease or line the baking tray. First, prepare the filling by mixing the cheese and onion together in the small bowl. Then prepare the short crust pastry. Sift the flour into another bowl and rub in the butter or margarine until it looks like breadcrumbs. Add a little cold water and mix to form a firm, smooth dough. Next, lightly flour the work surface and roll out the pastry into a square. Use your hands to help shape the edges. Using a palette knife, cut the pastry into even quarters, making 4 squares. Then spoon some of the cheese filling into the middle of each square. Finally, brush the edges with beaten egg and fold over into triangles, gently pinching the edges together using your thumb and finger. Brush each triangle with beaten egg and place onto the baking tray. Place into the oven with oven gloves and bake for 20 minutes until golden brown. When cooked, remove from the oven using oven gloves.